These days, everything is connected. So are compressors in the field. This is what Icons is all about. Icons' intelligent connectivity system gives remote insight into your compressed air system, running parameters, potential problems, and even possibilities for optimization and energy savings. How does it work? Connectivity is available through an Icons box in the electrical cubicle or directly integrated into today's controller. These are factory mounted or retrofit in the field. As you log into the Icons platform, you get an immediate overview of the energy efficiency, uptime and health of your installation. Icons is included in your service contract, so there's no hassle to renew subscriptions. The first subscription level is Right Time. This gives you a monthly overview of machine information and service status, allowing on-time planning of the next service intervention. The next level of Icons service is Uptime. In addition to the services of Right Time, real-time warnings are generated to enable a quick response to emerging problems. The third Icons level is Energy, giving you near real-time information and the capability to benchmark on energy consumption, availability and air volume, all in clear and visual trend graphs. With these insights and our support, expertise and solutions, you're in a perfect position to optimize your compressed air system. The benefits of the Icons system are clear. You don't have to worry about the continuity of your production. On the intuitive Icons platform, you can see the status and health of your equipment as you log in, any events or actions, as well as upcoming service for all machines. The result is maximum uptime, transparent costs, and efficient planning.